Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making just a small video about a yen setups that I showed in my gold video. And yesterday I made the gold video and I showed those setups and the results. So let's get on those. The chart I showed for these. Euro yen 40-minute chart saying that from here, I'm going to go there from 60.21 to 62.42, right? The first target was 61.86. The second chart was pound yen going from here to 92.46 was the target. And the third chart was USD yen going from 47.45 to somewhere here, 4,900 or even more, if it goes more, right? So what happened in these charts as of today, let me show you. Yeah, so euro yen, this is the chart. It's supposed to go from here to here. Look what happened. That's exactly what happened. It went there to 61.86. Now going to the upside, what am I supposed to do? Take a long setup, right? It's a long trade. So here's my long trade, euro yen on the 14th, from here to here, 95 pip. This is my 7-minute chart entry. That's how I do it all the time. 40-minute setup, 7-minute entry, right? The second chart was pound yen. This one, pound yen, supposed to go from here to here, and it's supposed to be going, and it went there. Exactly the target, right? And did I take any trade in this one? Yes, of course. Going from bearish, turning bullish, and then gave me the entry here. Look at that, beautiful by the book entry for 70 pip. Third chart was USD yen, supposed to go from here to here, and it went from here to not all the way, but here to this level, 4,900. And this one, my trade was right here, beautiful entry, gave me an entry a little bit, up there. So not many pip, but yeah, 50 pip still, right? So these are the setups. I'm showing only 3 setups. I had many, many more setups in different pairs, different indexes, all of that, gold indexes like NASDAQ, right? So if you want to learn all of this, how to do these analysis and how to pinpoint the turning points in any pair, right? If there is any, not all the, always every single pair is going to give you the setup, but you have to find out, look for them. But if you learn, yeah, you can find maybe 3 or 4, maybe 5, 6 setup for the whole week, and then you can just trade them easily with using my system, right? All of these trades were taking from my 7-minute robot, my EA expert advisor robot. Automatically, once I determine that which pair is going in what direction, I put my EA, make it like long only or short only in the particular direction, and then leave it there. When the setup is there, the trade is automatically open, and I close the trade manually. So this is how my system is. If you like what you saw and then you want to learn the system, you want to get it, go on my website, one of these website here, Creative Trading System. I think I have it open here. Yeah, right there, right? Let me see. Yeah, this is my website, right? So here are different, Elliott Wave course, Money Pattern course. These are robots available here. One-on-one coaching is available here, right? So all of these things, and just get it whatever you need and be a part of my group and take it from there. So I have very nice setup for next week, right? I make charts twice a week, like Sunday over the weekend. For Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday again. I look for more setups, and then with the Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this is how we trade. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time with beautiful setups. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.